Hi guys, I'm here to do an unboxing video on my new Chanel bag. Yee! I've been wanting this bag for such a long time, like ever since I was in high school. This was the bag that I've been wanting to get. So basically I got mine from Yorkdale about 2 months ago, I believe. Basically it comes in this bag. Their packaging is amazing and it comes in this box right here. So take the bow out and it comes like this. This is a specific sticker it comes with right there. Let me open it. This. So this is the bag and it comes in a silky, nice, luxurious dust bag. So before we get into the bag, you'll see there's these two, which comes with the instructions and the cloth I used to clean it. And then the other booklet is basically history of Coco Chanel or the actual bag. And then I have this card where it says my name on it and when I purchased it and the serial number, and then obviously the boutique stamp. So this is the bag. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. It's my first time opening it, obviously. There's two flaps of the dust bag. It's one for the chain and then the main one here. It shows the imprint of Coco Chanel and Carl's signature. This is the bag. Oh my goodness, such a beauty. There you go. So I got the medium classic double flap bag in caviar and in gold. Can be worn either like this or this way. So here you can see the Chanel, the CC logo and the clasp. So when you open it, first compartment that you'll see would be the small one over here. It was rumored that she kept all her love notes in here, her secret love notes. This one over here, there's another compartment right there. And then the second flap is the smaller flap, obviously, and it has a CC logo on it. And it's a Chanel made in France. That's the main compartment. And it has 3 pockets inside, 2 big ones and 1 small one where she apparently put a pen or a lipstick in there. And here also is my Chanel authenticity card. I'm just gonna keep it there. There's another compartment here in the front, which probably I'm gonna use to put my phone in or ones that I reach out for the most. And lastly, the back, there's another compartment over here. So yes, this is my new baby. I chose this bag because it's classic, it's timeless, it's such an great investment piece. You can wear it as a shoulder bag like this or this way as well. It's too short to be worn as a crossbody, to be honest, because even though I'm tiny, it just doesn't look right. So I'm just gonna be most likely wearing it like this. So that's my unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below what your dream bag is. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye!